only really learned about OpenRouter relatively recently, but Stripe just paid $7.5 billion for this company. And a lot of folks
Jeez.
never heard of it. So you got probably makes sense to dig in and understand like
Yeah.
why this
What is that?
play makes sense. So agreed to acquire OpenRouter for 7.5 billion. This is a huge jump. Just about 3 months ago, the company is only valued at 1.3 billion. And essentially what they do is the best analogy is OpenRouter is like a universal switchboard for AI models. So if people are working and they want to use Anthropic's products or OpenAI, Google, et cetera, some of the companies would just have like one model that they would use for everything. Well, what OpenRouter does is it allows developers to have one interface for accessing all the different AI models. So let's say for a complex coding task, it would route to Claude. For cheap, simple tasks, it might route to like an open source model, deep reasoning, maybe GPT, and then if there's an unavailable model, then it would like automatically route to something. So there are a couple other companies that are trying to do something in this space, but OpenRouter, one of the more prominent ones right now. And initially I was like, well, why are they doing this? They're Stripe is in the payment space. Like, why? Like, does it actually make sense? But the strategic piece is that like AI inference is starting to become a complete new category of corporate spending. And a lot of companies are going to have to figure out their AI cost centers and very deftly manage where they're routing what models their developers are using to get work done to manage their cost centers. So in the same way as people figured that out within the payment side, they recognize that there's a huge value and opportunity on AI spend management and intelligence moving between models and applications in the same way that they've seen money move between different businesses.